Hello friends, a very warm welcome to your own channel Ansarkari. I am Vikas Bhardwaj. So in the series of PT Facts, we are going a little further and taking up some known concepts to you, but we will be talking in a very basic form. Say vaccine, we're taking up a country Algeria. What is Global Food Security Index? What is soil formation and its dimensions? So let's get going. So let's see what vaccine is. So we all know vaccine is a biological preparation. It's a biological preparation that provides acquired immunity. Okay, acquired immunity. That means it is not natural, it is acquired immunity from certain kind of diseases and infections. But how it is formed? It is created, it is formed, it is made from killed or weakened form. Can you tell me another word for weakened form? Please think, you know that term. Weakened form of certain microbes. It's toxins, or you can say surface proteins. That's how vaccine is made. Depending upon the disease it is made for. Most recently, you can link it with COVID vaccine, COVID-19 vaccine. The agent in a vaccine, what it do? It stimulates the person's immunity to recognize the agent as a threat and destroys it. That's how it works. It also tells the immune system to respond to any other microorganisms associated with it. I am telling you in a very, very simple terms. You please link it with your existing knowledge. So with the ongoing pandemic, as I said, like coronavirus pandemic, it is affecting all the countries around the world. The vaccines have come to the rescue of the people, but vaccine is not preventing. It is only reducing the infection. It is not preventing it. It is safeguarding from fatality as much as possible. As we have seen in one of our previous fact series that malaria vaccine have been approved by WHO. Soon, somewhere else, we'll be talking about more detailed forms of vaccine. Algeria, known as Democratic Republic of Algeria. But where it is situated, in which region? Okay, fine, you're right, North Africa. But what this region is known as? Maghreb. Maghreb, Maghreb region. And if we talk in terms of area, it is the largest country in Africa by total area. Algeria is the largest country. The country is bordered by, on the east side, can you tell me which is the country bordering Algeria to the east? Yes, Libya. Then you have northeast, you have Tunisia. Then you have Niger to the southeast, Niger. And then you have Mali, Mauritania. I hope you've heard these countries' names. And even Western Sahara to the southwest, all these regions. So the goal is to understand. You must learn how to see atlas by looking at a country, trying to see around उसके आसपास क्या है, so that you can understand the geographical significance of the place. You must learn how to think. And you know which sea is there in the north? Yes, please tell me. Mediterranean Sea. Mediterranean Sea is to the north. The country has a varied geography, we can say. So क्या क्या मिला हमें सोचने से? Yes, Sahara, hot Sahara, correct. What else? Cool, cooler regions, I should say. Hoggar Mountains are there. Hoggar Mountains. And the highest point in Algeria is Tahat. T-A-H-A-T. Tahat. Tahat Mountain is the highest point. And it is also the highest point when you talk about the Hoggar Mountains. So, understanding a geographical location of a place helps us in understanding what kind of industries, what kind of ecological, what kind of agricultural, and what kind of even socio-political conditions can be there. India ranks 71st on the Global Food Security Index. So first we say, what is food security? What is food security? That is access to a sufficient quantity of affordable and nutritious food. Affordable and nutritious food. So, according to the United Nations Food and Agriculture Organization, UNFAO, when food security exists, tell me, when at all the times, all people at all the times have physical, social, and economical access to sufficient, safe, and nutritious food to meet their dietary needs. We are not talking about chicken butter chicken, and you will get all kind of fast food. We are talking about healthy, nutritious food, which is very much essential and mandatory for healthy lifestyle. So Global Food Security Index, published every year by the London-based economist Impact and Corteva AgriScience. It measures food security in around 113 countries. 113 कंट्रियों में होता है, जिसमें 4 फैक्टर्स होते हैं. क्या आप सोच सकते हैं 4 फैक्टर क्या होंगे? Can you please think what are the 4 factors which are responsible for identifying food security of a country? Yes, please think. So first, you are right, affordability, as I said. Affordability, availability, quality, and safety. These are the 4 things. Apart from natural resources and resilience. So affordability, availability, quality and safety, natural resources and resilience. So this is how these factors helps us in identifying कि उस country में global food security index का क्या position होगा, what the position that country will be having. The annual assessment is prepared. So you can say there are many food security indicators. अब उसमें क्या होंगे? Food security indicators, you can say economic status of the country, economic inequality कितनी है, which we can measure even by Gini coefficient. Then you have the access कितना है, systemic gaps क्या है poverty को remove करने के लिए, and how that country is moving towards getting sustainable development goals. Can you tell me the sustainable development goal of zero hunger is by which year? Yes, 2030. 2030 is the year by which poverty must be, or you can say hunger must be eradicated. Hunger, SDG का जो goal है, zero hunger का, hunger बिल्कुल खत्म हो जाए, that is by 2030. So what is India's score? India's score is 57.2 and it is 71st in the rank. 71st is the rank of India on Global Food Security Index. India fared better than Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Nepal, and Bangladesh, but it's lagging far behind China, which occupies 34th place. हम China करते हैं, but then in many indicators it has not only just economic indicators, otherwise also it has gone far beyond. So India's score improve हुआ पहले से. It is but by very little points, very little, you can say 2.1 point only it has been able to improve from the last time. So think about it that how India can improve further. India was 101 previously on the global hunger index also. It was 101. So think about it, how we can really raise the level, what should be the interventions, what should be the public distribution system का क्या नियम होना चाहिए. We should think about it. India topped the index India is, sorry, I feel and wish so. Ireland topped the index with 84 points. Austria, United Kingdom occupied second and third place respectively. So what are the concerns of the Global Food Security Index? उसके concerns क्या-क्या हैं? 2021 की जो findings हैं, क्या उसने concern किया? सबसे पहली बात है कि the perspective of zero hunger उसको हमें achieve करना है. It must not be moved further. तो countries ने significant move किया in eradicating food insecurity, but the whole food system remains vulnerable. Whole food system remains vulnerable. To what? To climatic conditions, to political condition of a country. Geopolitical changes, I should use the word geopolitical changes. जैसे तालिबान in Pakistan, Taliban in Afghanistan. And also economic conditions. जैसे once Elon Musk को पूछा गया था भाई अगर तू एक certain amount, I don't recall exactly, but maybe 12 billion US dollars. Yeah, I don't, maybe I'm wrong. If I give up, if I give, then whole world's poverty can be eradicated or not. Something like that was going on. You can check out that. This is an important factor, economic factor, geopolitical factor. So the you can say the action is imperative. Action to lena padega at the local level, national level, global level to end malnutrition. That is why Government of India has taken many initiatives, including of free ration during the corona times, including providing state schemes are also there. States like Odisha, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Kerala, Haryana, they have come up with many different kind of schemes by which they are actually aiming towards the last mile connectivity, which is very important. How does soil form? So there are different types of soil. Do you agree with me? Yes. The soil is based on what? It is based on the size of grains. Soil आई कहाँ से? Soil comes from rocks. So rocks is going to be broken into small pieces by weathering. And weathering यानी उसका uh, it's a process of weathering, physical या फिर chemical. So once a rock starts to crack, you would have seen even plants come out of that from the crevices of the roots of the rock. The plants break the rock further, and that's how slowly by slowly small pieces are broken up, and the plants break further. That is how at the end you are adding organic matter to it. That's how soil is being formed. So due to chemical weathering, what will happen due to chemical weathering? The rock will turn into sand, chemical changes, sand, silt, and clay. Particles will be there. So there are different layers of soils and they serve different purposes, but that I'm leaving it for the secondary information. So why does soil matter? That is what we're gonna think about. Why soil matter? क्यों मैटर करती है इतना? Obviously everybody knows that वहां पे plants are being grown on it, but then it influences distribution system. It provides habitat, it controls chemical substances. कितना important role है? Not just distribution but habitat, but chemical substances between the atmosphere and earth. In between, it acts like a great dynamic system. So with every rain, part of soil air, the gases are actually found in the air space between the soil components. That is called soil air. There are soil different small grains. उनके बीच की जो air होगी, that will be raising up. It moves up into the atmosphere. So organic carbon, the concept of organic carbon you must have heard in soil is also transferred to atmosphere through what? Through respiration. Yes, you are right. Organic carbon है, it is through respiration. And it is believed that at the planet जैसे जैसे गर्म होता जाएगा, soil will add more carbon dioxide to the atmosphere. Activities of microorganisms भी बढ़ती चली जाएगी. It will become more and more hotter, and that is how temperature will rise and soil becomes crucial to the whole point. Soil also acts I hope you'll agree with me. Soil also act as a drainage system. A very, very important aspect. Drainage system. Soil acts as a drainage system because it absorbs water. It absorbs water and it prevents flooding. Okay, it is also helping in detoxifying of soil detoxify water pollutants. It detoxifies also. It has amazing role. It constantly changes, respond to the environment, and ironically these all changes किसकी वजह से होते हैं? Do you know it? Yes, because of human activities. इंसान, जंगलों का काटा जाना, urbanization and so on, they are the key factors. So please do make your own notes, own key points, keep it simple but logical, and get back for any kind of suggestions and also doubts. Do like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.